Where am I? Hello? Anybody here?
Good to see you have made it, Joey.
Who are you? And why am I here?
I am Taco1141 and am the most evil thing since Disney.
You won't get away with this, Taco1141.
Watch me. Wait, did you just burp?
Yeah, so.
That's disgusting.
Enough to let me go.
Not even close.
Oh no. What's that?
It's a chainsaw. What in the frig do you think it is?
No.
God dang it, the battery died.
In your face.
Once it charges, it will slice you into pieces.
And exactly how long will it take?
6 to 10 hours.
That is what I thought.
Shut up, I will use various sound effects to defeat you.
Oh yeah. Well, I counter with my ability to shoot laser bullets out of my hands. I am the winner.
My burritos will kill you later.